Okay, so we started off with our peanut butter Ritz cracker sandwiches and our mini Oreos in my large 13 by 9 aluminum pan. I'm just gonna give this a quick toss so that they're evenly distributed. I'm instantly gonna bring in my 4-cup measuring cup, put that right there. And I have 1 stick of salted butter that we're gonna put into our measuring cup just like so. And then I have some Ghirardelli milk chocolate chips, and we're gonna sprinkle that in there just like so. And then the last thing we're gonna add to our little concoction here is some peanut butter. I am using the natural stuff, so it is a little oily, but it's better for you, so that's why I'm going for it. I did already stir it so that the oil was mixed in, but we are gonna add a few scoops of our peanut butter, nothing crazy, because we already have peanut butter with those Ritz. Just right into our measuring cup. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious treat. You don't have to turn on the oven for this one. It's great for spring, summer. It's great for kids' classroom parties or summer birthday. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the microwave for 30-second increments until it's all melted. Okay, so our mixture's all ready. It's not gonna be perfectly smooth because we use that natural peanut butter, but that's okay because it's still gonna be delicious. And we are gonna start placing our mixture right on top of our Ritz crackers and mini Oreos. Now, if you don't like Oreos, you could do all Ritz crackers. And if you don't like Ritz crackers, you could do all Oreos. The options are endless. You can even throw in some Chex Mix into this, and that would be delicious. We're gonna start off with that, and we're gonna go ahead and start tossing this into our chocolate mixture. Get all of our Ritz and Oreos coated in that delicious chocolate peanut butter mixture. Okay, this is what we want it to look like. If you can mix it better, good for you, but I'm done mixing it. Now we're coming in with our powdered sugar. So these are gonna be a play on Muddy Buddies. So we have to do a generous amount of powdered sugar. Now I know you guys are already gonna tell me this is too much sugar, but that's Muddy Buddies, okay? Muddy Buddies are delicious and coated in powdered sugar. So that's what we're gonna do here, and it's gonna taste incredible and you're gonna love it, I promise you. Okay, let's really get it packing.
We love powdered sugar.
Doesn't work if you don't have enough powdered sugar. Okay, we're gonna start with that. And the best part about doing this all in the aluminum pan is we can just put our lid right on there and just give it a shake.
It's working.
Yeah. Okay, I think this is ready, you guys. That is it. Our delicious Ritz peanut butter Oreo Muddy Buddies are ready and they look incredible. Oh my goodness. Okay, if I had to remake this, I wouldn't do the natural peanut butter because I think it ruined the texture of it, but I know it's still gonna taste amazing. I got a Ritz cracker and a mini Oreo. That is so good, you guys. You guys gotta try it.